Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a note in a saved password in Chrome on PC. With this feature, you can easily add important information or reminders to your saved passwords. Let's get started. Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a note in a saved password in Chrome on your PC. With this handy feature, you can easily attach additional information or reminders to your saved passwords. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. In the top right corner, click on the More button, represented by 3 vertical dots. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, navigate to Autofill and Passwords. Step 5. Locate and open the Google Password Manager. Step 6. Choose the saved password you want to add a note to. Step 7. Click on the Edit button. Step 8. In the password editing screen, find the Note section and add your desired words or information. By following these simple steps, you can easily add a note to any saved password in Chrome on your PC. This can be helpful for remembering additional details related to that specific account or password. Take control of your password management and keep important information at your fingertips. Let's get started.